Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. What if one SUV could do everything? Carry your family in total comfort, handle daily city life with ease, and still feel ready for adventure the moment the road opens up. That's exactly the question the 2026 Skoda Kodiaq answers, and it does so with quiet confidence rather than loud promises. This isn't an SUV trying to impress you with gimmicks. It's SUV designed to fit real life and make it better. From the very first look, the Kodiaq makes a strong and mature statement. The front is dominated by Skoda's bold signature grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give the SUV a focused, intelligent expression. There's a sense of strength here, but it's refined, not aggressive. Sculpted body lines flow smoothly along the sides, while muscular wheel arches hint at capability beneath the surface. Around the back, sleek LED taillights and a clean, integrated spoiler complete a design that feels modern, balanced, and timeless. Whether it's parked outside an office building or loaded up for a weekend escape, the Kodiaq looks exactly where it belongs. On the road, the Kodiaq delivers exactly what you want from a family-focused SUV: confidence, comfort, and composure. Engine options are tuned to provide smooth and responsive acceleration without sacrificing efficiency, making daily commutes and long highway drives equally enjoyable. The suspension absorbs bumps and rough surfaces with ease, creating a calm and stable ride that keeps passengers comfortable even on uneven roads. Steering is precise and predictable, giving the driver a reassuring sense of control. And for those who deal with changing weather conditions or occasional off-road paths, available all-wheel drive ensures reliable traction when it matters most. Open the door and the Kodiaq immediately shows why it's so highly regarded. The cabin feels impressively spacious, airy, and thoughtfully laid out, giving you the kind of comfort that's noticeable within seconds. Skoda's talent for maximizing interior space is on full display here. Headroom and legroom are generous across all rows, making long journeys genuinely relaxing rather than tiring. The materials strike a perfect balance between premium and practical, with soft-touch surfaces, refined stitching, and tasteful trim details that elevate the experience without feeling excessive. One of the Kodiaq's greatest strengths is its flexibility. Available in both 5- and 7-seat configurations, it adapts effortlessly to changing needs. The second row slides and reclines to prioritize either passenger comfort or cargo space, while the third row provides convenient seating for children or occasional guests. When more storage is needed, the seats fold flat quickly, transforming the interior into a spacious cargo area. Throughout the cabin, clever storage solutions are everywhere, from deep door pockets to hidden compartments and a large center console, making everyday life easier in ways you only truly appreciate after living with the car. Technology in the 2026 Skoda Kodiaq feels modern, intuitive, and refreshingly user-friendly. The central touchscreen sits prominently on the dashboard, offering crisp graphics and fast responses for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, seamlessly connecting your smartphone without cables or complications. Behind the steering wheel, a fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, allowing drivers to prioritize navigation, driving data, or safety information, depending on the situation. Voice control adds another layer of convenience, helping you stay focused on the road while managing key functions effortlessly. Safety is where the 2026 Skoda Kodiaq truly reinforces its family-friendly credentials. A comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems works quietly in the background to protect everyone on board. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross traffic alert all combine to reduce stress and increase awareness. Parking and tight maneuvers become far easier thanks to available surround view cameras, while a strong body structure and multiple airbags provide confidence-inspiring protection should the unexpected occur. Practicality remains at the core of the Kodiaq's identity. The cargo area is wide, well-shaped, and easy to access, making loading everyday items or larger gear simple and efficient. Fold down the rear seats and the space expands dramatically, offering a flat load floor capable of handling furniture, sports equipment, or luggage for extended trips. Features like a power tailgate and low loading height may seem small, but they make a noticeable difference in everyday usability. When you step back and look at the full picture, the 2026 Skoda Kodiaq stands out not because it tries to be flashy, but because it gets everything right. It delivers space without bulk, comfort without compromise, technology without confusion, and safety without intrusion. Whether you're navigating school runs, commuting to work, or heading out on a family road trip, the Kodiaq handles it all with effortless confidence.